Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this retro text effect in Adobe Illustrator. I'm just going to lock this layer in first because I really like it as background. Then I'm going to just type in retro. You can use any font that you want since I'm just going to use this one, I think. I'll just actually search for retro first here. If I find any, I'll change it to that maybe. Flowers, there we go. I'll just right click and create outlines now. And I'll just place it here. Also select your color. Don't know which color I should use. I'm just going to use this yellow one first. Once you're done, go to Object and go to Path. Select Offset Path. And I'm just going to select this. I'm going to select OK. And I'm going to select like a different color for it. Maybe like a purple so it shows. And make sure you right click and arrange and then select send to back so it's behind the text. Select it again, object, go to path, go to offset path, and just keep adding it. I'm going to right click, arrange, send to back again, and I'm going to choose a different color for it. And you're just going to do that until you're finished, but I quite like this, so I'm just going to stop at that. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!